Today, we're tackling a common question in lawn care. Will baking soda kill grass? It's a topic of interest for many gardeners, so let's explore the answer. Baking soda, known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, is often touted as a natural weed killer. But what effect does it have on grass? The truth is, baking soda can indeed kill grass if used in large enough quantities. It works by creating a high sodium environment, which is harmful to most plants, including grass. When applied to grass, baking soda absorbs moisture and can disrupt the natural pH balance of the soil. This can lead to grass burn and eventually the death of the grass in treated areas. However, the effect of baking soda on grass depends on how it's used. Light sprinklings might not be lethal, but can still cause damage or discoloration. In contrast, heavy applications are more likely to kill grass. For those considering using baking soda as a weed killer, it's important to be precise in its application. Avoid spreading it over areas of healthy grass that you don't want to harm. It's more suited for use in cracks in sidewalks or driveways, where unwanted vegetation is growing. It's also worth noting that the effects of baking soda on the soil can be long-lasting. It can take a while for the soil to recover and return to its natural state, which might affect future plant growth in that area. In conclusion, while baking soda can be an effective weed killer, it can also harm or kill grass if used improperly. Always use it cautiously and consider alternative methods of weed control that are safer for your lawn. Thank you for watching. Remember, the best lawn care practices are those that balance effectiveness with safety for your plants and the environment. Choose your lawn care products wisely and use them responsibly. Happy gardening!